Hi everyone, welcome to another video on the Greek Street Bridge Replacement Project Stockport. This video today we're going to have a fly over the project. Bit of a change since the last video. It looked like it was actually tarmac back then, but it doesn't look like it is now. So we're going to look at the site compounds and see how they're getting on with all that. And we're going to look at the utilities that are being run in the middle of the bridge also. So on the last video I filmed in between Christmas and New Year, it looked like there was actually a base tarmac down on the bridge, but it must have been some kind of waterproofing or something, because they've got this surface now over the top. Now we love going out filming these engineering projects and seeing things change and develop, but my actual engineering knowledge is not the best. Now the video filmed between Christmas and New Year, it looked like a base tarmac was on it. It's now got a covering of something else. Something in that digger there, I've not a clue what it is. So if anybody does know more than I do, leave it in the comments please. So this is looking down Greek Street, got the Armoury pub on the right of the picture. Then I'm just going to spin the drone round to look down towards Shaw Heath. This is flying backwards from the Armoury pub towards Edgeley. Let's have a look at what's happening on the compounds on Mercian Way and Shaw Heath. This is looking along Mercian Way towards Edgeley Park, flying backwards towards the railway station. See quite a bit of stuff in the compound still. Got that digger there on a big mound of earth. So it still needs quite a bit of clearing up before they can reopen everything. This is looking down Shaw Heath towards King Street West and the railway station. Still quite a lot of stuff going on in this compound here. And this is flying backwards from Edgeley towards the Armoury pub. Got the Age UK building in the middle of the picture there. Now the main source of activity at the moment on the bridge deck is that central section, which is where the utilities are running, I think. Now what I did with that is, to get a closer look, I put the drone over the top and did it a 3x zoom in. So it is a little bit wobbly this, so apologies for that, but it's the best I could do. And it looks like some kind of pipe work in there. Again, if anybody knows better and more technical, leave it in the comments please. And you probably saw it earlier on the footage outside of the Armoury pub. There was this truck from Murphy's doing some work also. That's it for this one. Now they are due to be putting the road back in and reinstating the roundabout very soon in the next month or two. So I will keep an eye on the project. If this is the first one you've seen of the project, do check out the playlist. I've been filming it since March in 2025. Do like, hype and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks everyone.